your child to read with our interactive, collaborative, and nurturing reading enhancement activities from a distance. Enjoy watching ICaN Read videos and learn to read in the comfort of your home. Hello kids! How are you? Show me thumbs up if you are feeling well. Today is another day of learning new things. Are you ready? We are going to learn about letter sounds in alphabet. Do you know letter sounds? Come on, I'll help and teach you. In this video, we will learn about letter Z and its sound. The sound of letter Z is Z. Again, what is the sound of letter Z? Z. Z. Now let's take a look at some words whose names start with letter Z. 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 Zero. Your turn. Great. Z. Z. Zigzag. Your turn. Awesome. Z. Z. Zipper. Your turn. Good job. Z. Z. Zebra. Your turn. Very good. Z. Z. Zoo. Your turn. Perfect. Let's try it again. Zero. Zigzag. Zipper. Zebra. Zoo. Good job! You learned about letter Z and its sound. See you on our next ICaN Read videos.